If you love Baltimore sports, you'll love WNST.net.
See the hardcores out here, man. Look at that.
Welcome to the 2009 11 and under National Youth Football Champions, the Hereford Bulls.
Bulls. I like it. The trophy's bigger than they are.
The hardest working man in Baltimore sports, WNST's very own Mr. Abolition.
Get booze. What do I know? They got to give me the coin.
You guys, come on over here. Quickly, come on. Come on.
Step up to shake hands, introduce yourselves.
What's up, man?
I've never done this before.
Hey, guys.
Okay, New Jersey's visiting team is white, Baltimore is blue. Next one's going to flip the coin for me. Want to call it first?
Tails.
Tails is the call. To throw it up and hit the ground, please.
Old school American money here, boys.
Tails is the call. Fabulous flip. It is a tail. New Jersey, you've won the toss.
Tails.
You want to defer.
Cheerleaders are nice, I'll tell you that. Having fun already. All right, tell me the deal. How'd you guys get involved here? You're running up to me. Any woman that looks like this that runs up to me and says, I want to get a picture with you. I'm like, sporting the purple, man. So what's going on? How you guys doing?
Wonderful, wonderful.
Fun?
Actually, oh, man, this is awesome. You know, I mean, chick girls, you know, are diehard football fans, and we start to go through our DPs and our withdrawal, and the answer is Baltimore Mariners football.
I had a beer this afternoon a block away. I came in. I'm having a good time. How you doing, Steve?
All right, that's great. How you doing,
Good
bro?
to see you, bro. Well, tell me about your involvement with the Mariners.
Well, I've been involved since the beginning.
Right.
And they wanted me to become a sports team, Ravens sports team. And I told them, I go, you know what? I'd like to start the team for the Mariners sports team.
Look at this, man.
No, I'm not done yet. It's not done yet. I got several things in the mail that hadn't come yet. And it'll be back. This is going in for...
This guy had patches all over the place by the time it's over.
And got my Ravens tattoo, buddy. That's what I'm talking about.
It's always purple. Good to see you guys.
Yeah. Keep up the work.
Off to the extra point attack, number 17, J.R. Citro, the Cajon, number 50. With the score, your Baltimore Mariners, 51, New Jersey, 10.
If you love Baltimore sports, you'll love WNST.net.